this is a strategy that is working very well. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can use this secret strategy to make a lot of money when trading differs and matches. So you will make money when you use this strategy. I have tried it. You can see just for yourself. I did not lose a single contract here. As you can see, I just tried it just now to prove that it is working, and I will also try it as I show you. So I just go back to my account, and if you do not have an account, I have left a link in the description. Create one and start trading right away. Don't miss out this money because they might update the site and you may not get the chance to make this money. Now here we have the percentages. So let's say that if you are a beginner, you have created an account and you have your dashboard, you need to choose Deriv Trader. You need to choose Deriv Trader, and it is just here on the Traders Hub. Just choose it and you land here, and then here just choose matches and differ, which is just below here. Now back to the content. We have percentages here that you will use to predict this market, and I have a style that I use to predict the market. So if you need to predict this market, you look at the highest percentage number. And what do you need to say? You say that if we have a high percentage number, you say that if you have a high percentage number, it will reach a point like here you have 3, which is playing between 12 and 11 there. If you have such a number, it will reach a point that it will start going down in percentage. So you might assume that this number will keep going up, but it will not. It will reach a point that this number start going down, and that is the moment that you need to enter the market with a differ trade. So at that point, you can see it will stop being touched. So you will start differing with that number, and then you will end up making a lot of money here. Now, so the number is 3, just choose it and start differing. So you can see. So just differ it with 2 ticks. Just differ with that number using 2 ticks, and you need to make a lot of trades here. So make a lot of trades until the number reaches 9 or 10%. So after it reaches 9 or 10%, just leave it because it can start being touched again. So most of the time it will not be touched, and you will end up making a lot of money here. If you see that pressing this is tiresome, then you can use a bot. Now I can show you how you can use a bot. You just need to check which market you have been trading, and then you can just proceed to the bot. So you can see here we have this market, or I can just change it. Now if you see a lot of percentages that are equal, just leave them. So I just return to the market that I was trading. So at least I have one number that has the highest percentage. But this number, remember, it came from 12%, so it is going down. So you need to still stick to this number. So it is 3. I just go to Traders Hub. Then we have the Deriv bot. Proceed to create a bot dedicated to that market. So I just create the bot. So I am creating a bot using a quick strategy, and then I will go to options. Then we have Matingo. Choose the strategy. This has match and differ. So we have match and differ. Then we'll choose differ. Differ is 3. Here is 3. Then we have our stake here. Just choose 2 or whatever you want. And then I choose, don't forget to choose the market because you saw the market that we were trading. Then we have the number of ticks. Remember to put 2. And then here you can just edit your profit, your loss, and then the size of the martingale. I just like to keep it at 1.5. Then we have the maximum stake. Just put it to 10 and then load your bot. Now we can run it. and see how it does. Now you can see it has just entered the market right away, and it will keep running. That number keeps going down. So at least you are on the safe side